welcome back. We're going to kindergarten. We're going to kindergarten. Blasting into kindergarten. With no idea what we'll face. We're going to kindergarten. We're going to be facing technology issues. We already know. I see this doesn't want to work. There we go. So you can see my face. Okay. It is time for us to do another apple story, a quick apple story, so we can do an apple craft activity. And this one will take us some time, so I hope you have put time aside for this craft because it's very fun, but will take you a lot of time. Okay, so we're talking about apples this week. We have the story I Am an Apple by Jean Marzio and illustrated by Judith Moffett. See that? Cute little book. So the author writes the story and the illustrator draws the pictures. That's right. And then the title is the name of the book, and it tells us what the story's about. Very good. So what do we think our story will be about? Apples! Right? I am an apple. I am a red bud. I live on a branch in an apple tree. There it is. I grow in the rain. I grow in the sun. I unfold. I am an apple blossom. I have 5 petals. I am beautiful. Remember we talked about how the trees, they grow leaves, and the leaves turn into these flower buds, and then the buds turn into the flowers. In time, my petals fall to the ground. Now I am a small apple. I hang by a stem, and the stem brings me water and food. I grow bigger and bigger. Yeah, look at that. My tree is full of apples. Once we were green, now we are red. Red, redder, reddest. Some of these have a little bit of yellow, so they might not be ready yet. We are ready to be picked. Most apples are picked by farm workers. Truckers drive us to the market. Apples come in different shapes and colors. Some are sweet, some are sour. Applesauce is made from apples. What else is made from apples? Apple juice, apple pie, apple cereal bars, right? Each apple has a star of seeds inside. The star has 5 parts, just like the flower. See right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you plant apple seeds, what do you get? Apple trees! That cat doesn't look happy with that squirrel. Can you tell me a story? Can you tell a story about me? And then it says, goes from seed to tree to bud to apple blossom to apple. Oops, I forgot this. I am an apple. Can you tell a story about me? Very nice. Okay, so the paper that we're gonna need is from our Kindermail, which is Kindermail Part 2, which is now with our Kinder bag. We're gonna get out this apple. Dun, 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 dun. And now you have a decision to make. forgot brown paper. I didn't mail you guys brown paper. I totally forgot. Okay, so we're gonna have to be creative. You're gonna need a brown crayon. And then you're gonna get out, you're gonna decide, do you wanna make a green apple, a red apple, or a yellow apple? And in your Kinder bag, remember, you should have, and then here's where it gets a little tricky. Some of you will have full sheets of paper, and some of you might have the half sheets. So, if you have the half sheets, that's okay. You just need to grab 2 of the same color. But if you have the full sheet, you'll just grab 1 color. Like, I think I'm gonna make my apple what color should I make my apple? Well, I think I'm gonna do the leaf this color green, and then I'm gonna do the apple this color green. Okay? Now, there are rules to what we're about to do. Sorry. Distracted. There are rules to what we're about to do. This might be a little bit challenging, but we're practicing to use the muscles in our hands. That's right. So, no crying and no giving up. Okay? We're in big kindergarten school, because when we're at school, when you come back to school, the rule is you always got to try your best. Always. There's no, I can't do this, it's too hard in my hands. No, this is not baby school. This is kindergarten. You're with the big kids now. So that means you gotta act like a big kid. So what we're doing is we're going to use our hands to rip the paper and glue it on our page. So I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see. Ta-da! I guess I could start by coloring this. This is the stem, because I forgot to give you brown paper. I am so sorry. If you have brown paper, you don't have to color it, but this is going to be our solution today. Just being problem solvers, right? And then I'm going to take my green paper. Actually, probably just need one of these, right? And I'm gonna rip. Oh, I forgot to say you're gonna need your glue too. So see, and I'm just gonna rip and glue, because this helps us with our fine motor muscles in our hands. And you want to cover all the white with the ripped paper. See that? Now some might say, I'm done, but I still see a little spot here. So I'm going to fill that in because I don't want to see any white. There we go. And then now I'm gonna rip for the apple too. So actually I think I'm gonna do yellow. Yeah. Changed my mind. Same thing. Gonna rip. Now don't use all of your construction paper because we will need those papers for other activities. So save any scraps that you can, just in case you reuse it for another activity, and don't use everything because yeah, we want to make sure we have our materials when we do other apple crafts. This is always such a fun activity to do in the classroom. I always put on some nice, like, Disney instrumental music, and we're all like calm and relaxed, ripping our paper. It's kind of therapeutic. See, and you can just rip them in different sizes. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, whoops. And you are not allowed to use scissors for this paper unless it's cutting out the apple. But for the ripping part, no, absolutely not. That, my friends, is what we would call cheating. Okay, this is an important activity to help us make our hand muscles stronger. See, whoa, where am I going to put this piece? It's kind of like trying to fit it like a puzzle, you know? Like, I still need a skinny piece there. You can rip big pieces, small pieces, whatever kind of pieces you need. Not like super big, but like, you know what I mean? That piece is like too curved. There we go. That's a good piece. So sorry about that, but my iPad died, so it stopped recording. But I'm gonna cut this out by the lines, now that I finished it. Write your name on the back. That's something we need to practice. When we come to school, we'll be writing our names a lot. A little bit of glue. Glue it together. Ta-da! There, I have 2 apples. Yay! We finished our ripping art apples. Hooray. And yeah, and that's it. Oh, name on the back. And that's it. So my job is to work hard and do my best. Ripping paper for my apple craft, right? No cutting until the end when you cut the whole apple out. All the paper, you rip, 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 Using your hands, you rip, 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 rip. Using your hands. Please don't use any scissors. That defeats the purpose. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy and have fun. Don't forget to work hard, try your best, and be nice. All right, I can't wait to see your work on Seesaw, and I'll see you later. Bye!